Hi guys, my name is Jeanette, and today we're going to do the coolest thing ever. We are going to create your lesson plans for the whole year and add it to a link on Canva that you can put in your Google Classroom, and you can edit your lesson plans on your website, and automatically you have the year entirely planned out in less than 30 minutes. So let me show you what I'm doing and how to do it. So here we go. So right now I'm going to just copy my link of my website, and I'm going to come here to my Google Classroom, and I'm going to log into my Google Classroom, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to write, for now, I can edit this link for math lesson plans, right? So I'm going to come here to my link, and I'm going to add my link from Canva, and automatically I still have to fix it because it has like this title, and obviously it's not the one I want, but I'll take care of it later. Right now I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to go ahead and post. Now the great thing about this is now whenever you have this put together, your students click on this particular link, you have your date up here, you have your lessons, your objectives, and it was done literally in 2 seconds with two things. One, using your school year calendar. Two, using your curriculum mapping or your pacing guide for your school district, along with the lessons that you have to do and when you have to do them. And if you did your lesson plans last year, you can have all this converted, added into this in seconds. So let's go and take it from the beginning. So I'm going to stop my video now, and I'm going to go back to Canva from the first page so I can show you exactly how I got to this final step. Okay, so I'm back here. So the first thing I did was looked at the different lesson plans on all the templates that Canva had to do. I chose this one just because it had all the different things that I wanted to put together. So I came here and I went ahead and I customized. And before starting customization, if I do a bulk import here and I highlight this particular word, what's going to happen is that automatically it's going to put all my content in this title. So I created another, came here and I did copy, paste, right? I moved it down to the box, then I fixed the alignment on it, and then I put, just because I didn't want to get the computer all crazy, when it was merging. So I did that for every single little thing in here. Again, these are the ones that it comes with. You can tweak it to what you want your lesson plans and expectations to have. This is just a mere example. The next thing I did was I am a crazy person when it comes to making sure that all my stuff matches, right? So I took a screenshot of like one of the items that I have like my classroom decorated on, and I went ahead and I uploaded them. So like, for example, the one that I used on my lesson plans was this. I took a screenshot, I made that my background. I'm going to go ahead and undo. But in addition to that, if you have colors that you want to work with, let's say that you have these colors. If you do that to any piece, you can come here, right click on your computer, apply to page, and you can delete your picture. But automatically, I took the colors that I wanted to match with my classroom and make it the theme that I wanted. And then my screenshot of one of my designs became my background. So that was just one of the things that I did. If you want something simple, definitely you can stay with the same one that it came with. I'm going to go back in because this is very simple and something that you can do. So once you have the things that you want, now I went ahead and added in each section, right, what I wanted to hyperlink or the kind of data that I wanted. So for example, here, let's say that I want a topic. I'm going to Command C, Command V. I'm going to add this over here, and I'm going to make this topic 1. And you're going to see exactly what I mean by that. I'm going to pause to complete the rest of it so you can see what I did with mine. Okay, so here's my fast forward. As you can see, I added the background, I added assessment 1, structure 1, and the reason for that is because the lesson plan template that I found, these are just boxes, but you still have to add a text box to those boxes. Okay, so now is adding all your lesson plan information so it creates 129 lesson plans for it. So it's really simple. If you're a classroom teacher, and you should have this for free, you come here to apps and you're going to look for bulk, right? So you're going to click on bulk and I'm going to click here. Now, I did upload data, and the reason I did upload data is because on ChatGPT, you can have it create an Excel sheet for you. So all you have to do is upload the data. So I'm going to come here, right? And I am going to, this is right here, extended lesson plans, and I'm going to hit open. And now I'm going to highlight grade 1, and notice up here it says connect data. It's going to be for my spreadsheet grade, subject 1, connect data, subject, and you're going to do that to all of these different headings, right? Once you're done, you're going to select continue, and I'm going to go ahead and pause it now to finish all of those up and also show you what it looks like once you're finished. The last part of this will be me showing you exactly how to prompt ChatGPT to get all this information done for you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause. So once you're finished, automatically it will go ahead and create 129 different pages. Notice how here is like lesson 5, lesson 9. So I'm able to pretty much go in and make any revisions. So let's say that is August 30th and I am not at this particular lesson yet. I can go ahead and tweak it, but at least I have my skeleton of what objectives. And at the same time, since this goes with my pacing calendar, it tells me, hey, I'm either falling behind or hey, I need some filler lessons to stay um, at the same pace as the rest of my team. So pretty cool to do. Now, once you finish all of this, you know how Canva allows you to share? So I went ahead and shared it to a website. So it actually created a website for me to publish it. And that's the link that you saw at the beginning of this video where I was adding it to my Google Classroom. And all you have to do is once you tamper with it or once you do this and you change it around, what you need to do is republish it. So I'm going to stop now so I can show you how to do that on your website. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you how to get the information into a spreadsheet that you're going to come back over here and put it together. Okay, so we're back. So the first thing I wanted to show you was if you hit projects on Canva, you're able to see your last designs. Was my master template with 129, and this is my website. Remember how my website had a name that I didn't really like? So I can come here and I can say third grade math lesson plans, right? So I'm going to click into my website, and here my website. So let's say that it's August 20th, and right here for lesson, I'm actually, although it says lesson 1, I'm actually going to write my page number of the lesson that I'm at, and I can come here and say, hey, I need additional items for my classroom. So let's say, okay, page 1, right? I want to update. I'm going to click on publish website and publish website. So automatically, I don't have to go back to Google Classroom and make any tweaks because it does it from here. So if I go back to my Google Classroom, my students will automatically see whatever changes I made to my website, right? So when I click on view my website, you're going to see that it's going to have page 1. So anything that I do, it works just like a regular website. It uploads for me. And again, this is just for me to have my lesson plans in one place. Again, right here, you're looking at a full view, but if from an iPad or from a phone, parents can access it. Your principal can see it right away. This is a nice way to have your lesson plans up to date for the whole year. And you tweak it as you go instead of having to write them from scratch every single Friday. All right. So now to the one that everybody wants to find out. It's like, how exactly do we get this done? And ChatGPT so that you can have that PDF form for you. All right, so let me show you exactly how. Okay, so now you're going to navigate to either ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 4.0, and you're going to type the following prompt. I need an Excel sheet design with the following categories as shown on this screenshot. Then using my math pacing guide and my school's calendar, you'll create and complete an Excel sheet with all the data that I will need to merge and create a complete lesson plan. So I'm going to come here and now I'm going to feed it all the information that I need. So here at home, I have my scope and sequence, right? And all the different things that I'm gonna go ahead and feed it. So the next items that I need. So I put in all the things that I have for my math scope and sequence for third grade, right? You're going to add your scope and sequence or your math objectives or anything that you want to have into your lesson plans. The key thing for this is the following. I'm going to go ahead and upload from my computer now. And I'm going to look for, you see the school calendar, very important. And also in my gallery, I have a screenshot of the different things that, or the actual lesson plan that I want to use. So I'm going to go to my gallery, and here's the lesson plan. And I'm going to go ahead and open. And once you have all this information in here, you're going to hit go. Automatically, ChatGPT extracted all the different titles and now is analyzing what is going to start creating on the basic template. So if you take a look at here, I'll have the basic lesson plan template. But with that being said, I wanted to create an Excel sheet. So let's see what it comes up back for me with. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to show you really quick. Right here, it created my completed lesson plans. This was an Excel sheet that I can download. However, it is best if it works better as a CSV. So you can say, create this as a CSV now. Just so you see what my CSV ended up looking like with the stuff that I gave it. I'm going to come here and I'm going to go to my drive and here's my CSV. Again, you can check or you can change these. These are basically based on my school's pacing guide, right? And where we should be at what time, at what place, and what lessons we should be covering. You can create this for yourself, or before you do the merge, you can come back over here and say, hey, ChatGPT wasn't doing so great on this. Let me go ahead and change what I want to change on this before I merge it into my lesson plans. But super simple, and here in less than 13 minutes, I showed you how to complete your lesson plans for the whole year, and it shouldn't take you more than an hour of your time.